Hey, what up, Got another quick video about the Canon M50. Today we're gonna talk about this little beast of a lens right here. This right here is the 28mm macro lens with the EFM mount. Now, macro photography is basically extreme close-up photography. So you can get really close to your subject, or you can take a picture of something really small and you can pretty much make it seem like it's lifelike. This lens is a little beast. But it's also versatile. It's not just for macro photography. You can use it in a lot of different ways. Now to demonstrate, I'm gonna take a picture of something really small. I went and grabbed this off of one of my little bushes. I think it's a berry, but I have no idea. Let's just say it's a berry. So I'm gonna take a macro shot of it with the 28mm lens. Hold up. Now look at that, that is crazy. All this from this tiny little lens. This lens even got a super macro mode where you can magnify even closer. Another cool thing about this lens is it actually got a light on it. You probably can't see it that good because I'm outside, but you can turn a little light on for when you're getting really close and you need a little extra light. The light is powered by the camera. So this lens is really cool. So what I did, you know, I love my little photo walk, so I took this lens out. One lens photo walk. That's what I like to do. That's what I advise you to do if you like to do photo walks. Just take one lens. That way you're not fumbling around with a bunch of equipment. You just got one lens and you got to get creative with your shots. But this lens, you can get real creative with your shots. So I took this one lens out on a photo walk on my recent trip to Vegas. I was on one of those hop on, hop off buses. You know, when you get to tour the strip and just take pictures. It was really cool. But there was one point where the tour guide, she actually said something about an Avengers station. I never heard of this spot in Vegas. The Avengers station is like an exhibit for everything Marvel.
If you're a fan of Marvel action movies, here to Treasure Island, there is an attraction. It's called the Avengers exhibit and features the Marvel action movies. It's an interactive immersion experience. It's called the Avengers exhibit.
So I'm a huge Marvel fan, so I hopped my butt right off of that bus and I went to go check this spot out with my 28mm macro lens and the Canon M50. Now apparently everything in this exhibit is actually from the movies, like the costumes, the weapons, the props, everything is from the movie. So you're about to take a little photo walk, do the Avengers exhibit with the 28mm macro lens for the Canon M50. All right, let's boogie. What's up, man? I go this way?
Yeah.
You need this? What y'all like? Just like Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.? Is that what y'all are? Is that what y'all? Okay.
Well, technically, we're Avengers Station.
Oh, okay. Everybody look all tactical. I'm like, what's up?
What's up?
So how this work?
Yeah, I'll just have you proceed right over here for a quick photo before going to the exhibit. I'll have you look right at this Captain America shield here. You can do your best smile, pose, whatever you guys want to do. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Awesome.
Cool.
Your photo will be a photo stills. You're more welcome to choose a different background at the end of the photo.
My man.
I'll be right on the right side of this line here. I'll set you up in just a moment once I get the okay from upstairs. Okay?
All right, thank you. Is it okay if I move at my own pace, or is there I gotta follow?
This is just the station sign that usually never goes. We're gonna do a quick introduction and I'll let you guys.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I never did this before. I'm sorry. My bad.
Alright, let's get started, everyone. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. Is everybody excited and ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Real fast to tell you a little bit about the exhibit. First and foremost, take as many photos and videos as you would like. Everything behind glass was used or born in the movies, including Captain America's vibe. You guys can sit on it, take pictures, live in the moment a little. And for any newer fans, we have this camera. You guys can try and hold it and see if you are worthy. Now, real fast before I let you in, we're going to do a quick security scan just to make sure nobody here is a Hydra spy, Stroll, or any kind of supervillains like that. If everything checks out, Maria Hill's going to give us a quick briefing and this guy's ready for the exhibit.
Cool.
All clear.
Welcome to the Avengers Station, the Scientific Training and Tactical Intelligence Operative Network. My name is Maria Hill, and I'll be heading up your assessment program here at the station. As you are no doubt aware, life as we've known it has changed. In the past few years, we've seen the world come under attack by alien invaders, secret organizations intent on world domination, and complex artificial intelligence trying to destroy civilization. But each time the world was in peril, there was one group who always came to our aid, a group of remarkable individuals who come together to protect us against evil and fight the battles that we never could. The Avengers. The station has been created for those of you who have chosen to join the Avengers and protect our way of life by standing united in defense of our planet. You are about to enter our advanced scientific training facility where you will have unprecedented access to the most sensitive intelligence and cutting-edge science related to our superheroes. This is your chance to be a part of something greater, an opportunity to help save the world. Let's see if you're up to the task. Oh, and Mr. Stark has asked that you don't break anything. Are you ready to go? I think you are. Welcome to the Avengers Station.
Alright, in just a moment, these doors will open up. You can feel free to head inside. Have a marvelous time, everyone.
Thank you. What the heck? Yeah, it scared me for a minute. stand on one of them?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And Team Iron Man, when the game begins, you're going to see a white circle
Oh.
on the screen. You'll tap it to fire the weapon, okay?
Fire the weapon. Okay.
Alright, your mission today is to save the world and defend the station from Ultron.
Okay.
Good luck.
Let's do it.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you. This is exactly what I want. All of you against all of me.
Congratulations, agents. You defeated Ultron. This was your final test. You are now defeated.
Woohoo! Yeah. Okay.
Stay in touch now.
Great job.
All right.
Thanks for saving the world today. You can head on towards the exit sign. Maria Hill. Maria Hill has one last message for you, and you'll be on your way.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
All right.
Congratulations. You have completed your training. You are now an official Avengers Station agent. As an official station agent, you are now a part of a global support team that will work side by side with the Avengers should the time come to defend our planet. You should be very proud of yourselves. This is a very elite group that we are assembling, and you are now an integral member. Always be ready. We'll be in touch. Hill out.
Woohoo! Yeah. I'm an Avenger. Okay.